As this is a mindfulness-based stress management session, I shall start off by leading you in a practice just to bring our mind into the present and to also taste when that happens, how more peaceful our mind and body can be. So I'd like to invite you to just sit and be comfortable, preferably straighten up your spine, shoulders slightly pull back instead of slouching, and push our chin in so that our chin and our shoulders are more aligned. Check that your feet are both touching the ground. And place your hands comfortably on your thighs and simply just close your eyes. And just sense into this body that you are living in. Sense that you have these feet, these legs. Sense your bum resting on the surface of the seat. Sense your back holding up your upper body. And sensing your neck holding up your head. And your arms hanging off your shoulders. And your hands resting on your thighs. Notice your body's breathing. Sense the breathing through the movement of your chest, rising and falling. Or you may sense the air going through the nostrils. You may notice sounds around you, whether it's a bird chirping or the fan or air conditioning blowing. Or sounds of people around you, their movement, the doors, the taps, a dog barking, people talking. Being fully aware without the need to change anything in your environment is what brings a new level of peace. By welcoming and accepting whatever is present. Now, focusing your attention back into your body and taking 3 beautiful deep breaths. And being aware of how each in-breath nourishes your body with the oxygen it needs. And how each out-breath relaxes your body. Now I'd like to invite you to sense into your shoulders. If you feel any tightness or tension in the shoulders, feel free to move your shoulders gently one by one. And sense into the slight movement that you put into your shoulders in a very gentle way to release any tightness or tension. Noticing your neck and tilting your head side to side. Even rotating your head and sensing into the release of the stiffness or tightness in the neck area. Now just sensing into your jaw. You can move your jaw side to side, noticing your lips. And now your eyebrows. These are all the spots or areas that tend to be tense when you're feeling stressed. So move your eyebrows up and down, side to side, and just release the frown that may be present on your face. And then notice now your back. And just make sure your spine is straight and upright. And taking a deep breath and sensing into the back, all the muscles along both sides of the spine, and breathing into the back. And drop your focus now to your feet and wriggle your toes. Now move your fingers one by one. Now sense into your stomach area. And if there's any tightness there, take a deep breath and breathe into your abdomen. Take a few more breaths. That helps you to relax your abdomen. Now just notice where your breathing is, whether it's in your chest or your nostril. Now just count, observing 3 beautiful breaths. Just open your eyes and smile. Okay, how did that feel? Thank you. I see a heart coming up. How about the rest of you?